Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about JavaScript comparison operator. There are different types of comparison operator or relational operator used in the JavaScript. Comparison operator, to compare two values, we use comparison operator. You can compare two values whether one value is greater or less than, equal to, not equal to, or to find a relation between two values. We also use such operator that are name and operator. So this is a, for example, to check equality we used two time equal sign assignment operator. It will use to check any equality, for example whether a is equal uh, to b or not. Another is a to check not equality. You can also use a not equality number, whether a is not equal to b or not. So you will get a answer in boolean value. You will get a true or false. So if a value and b value are same, equal to each other, then you will get a true answer. If these values are not equal to each other, then you will get a false. So in this case it is saying that a is not equal to b. If not equal to b, then you will get a true. If a and b are equal, then you will get a false. So depend upon which operator you are using. And it is greater than symbol. So if you want to check a relation between two variable value, a greater than b, if a is really greater than b, for example a value is uh, 10 and b value is for example 3. So in this case a is greater than b, and you will get a answer true. Another is a equal to or greater than or equal to. This separate also used. Another is a less than or equal to. So these are different types used as a comparison or relation operator in the JavaScript. So we go to Visual Studio Code and I will share some example to clear concept. In the Visual Studio Code, this code is a previous lecture. Just I have to create a new file. In the new file I just use a comparison operator .html. I save this file, just copy paste here basic structure of HTML. Arithmetic operators, comparison operator in the JavaScript. First of all, I will create a variable b a, and its value is, for example, 12. Another is a variable b and its value is 15. So I will find a comparison, or I will find the now I will compare these values, whether one value is greater than or less than, equal to, not equal to, using comparison or relational operator. For example, I will use a document.write to get answer in the boolean value true or false. I will use a comparison operator document, sorry, a equal to b. If a value is equal to b value, you will get a answer of true. I open this file in the browser, comparison operator. You can see that you are getting a false because uh, you can see that answer is false because a value is not equal to b value. You can see that if I used both both variable have same value, you will get it true. So another is a not equal to. uh, Another is a not equal to. I will make this as a comment to not equal to. Then it means that a is not equal to b. It is saying a false because a is equal to b. Now you will get a false because a is equal to b. You will get a false because a equal to b, but it is saying that a is not equal to b. Another is a another is a greater than symbol. So a is greater than b because a value is greater than b, but you can see that a is not greater than b. If I make a greater than, so it will give you a true because really a is greater than b. We'll get a true. You can see that true is displaying here. So another is a greater than or equal to. I will use a comparison operator, greater than or equal to. If a is greater than B, then you will get a true. When I refresh, you will get a true. If both are equal, then you also get a true, because two condition we are checking, greater than or equal to. Another is a less than, another is a less than, sorry, this symbol will be used. So you will get a false, because A is not less than B, because they are equal to each other. And refresh, you will get a false. If I make this one a less than, so this condition is true, because A is less than B, you will get a now true. So you will get a now true. Another is a less than or equal to. Two condition here mentioning here. If A is less than B, then you will get true. If A are equal to B, then you also get a true. Now in this case, A is less than B, you will get a true. So another is a if A and B are equal to each other, then you also get a true. So these are different types of comparison or relation operator you can use in your project when you need. So these are comparison operator used in the JavaScript. There are different application, different functionality you can get using comparison operator. For example, you can compare user name or password, username or password from the database when user want to log in or sign in your application. So there are different functionality you can get using comparison or relation operator. I think each and everything is clear about comparison operator. Now you can practice with your hand, solve different types of assignment or exercises. You will be clear about comparison or relation operator. Anyhow, if you face any problem, any issue while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.